Hi, today I'm going to be showing you some Temu coupon code that could be worth up to $100. So from the home screen here, you want to go to the use section down here. And on use section here, you want to go to play and earn. On play and earn, you can see there's a couple of credits we can use. So for example here, there's a redeem credit section here that could redeem up to $200. And it just says, just pick them up. There's also a lot of free gifts here, right? Besides this, there's also coupons up here as well, coupons and offers. Now on coupons and offers, you can see there's a lot more coupons for us to use, like Farmland free gift for up to $80 in reward, a $300 coupon bundle up to 90% off, and you can also get a free reward. So for example, for Farmland free gift, we can click on get here. And then on here, you can see it'll load up this little animation for us. It's a second anniversary sale in Farmland. You can see there's a lot of these animations. I'm just gonna click close. You can see we can click on spin now to get our gift. So you can see we'll get +1 spin. Let's click on one more chance. Let's spin again and see what we get. It looks like we're gonna get the jackpot. Yep, there you go, jackpot. Now let's see what we get. We get 2 items for $0. So you can see how fast this kind of coupons can stack up. So you can see confirm and enter Farmland. You can just click on this to claim your free gift and also get coupons. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.